Are you looking for the best RC cars? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best RC cars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Huangbo Zp1005 RC Car. The Huangbo Zp1005 Zp1010 RC Car is a 1/10 scale, large full-scale 4-wheel drive remote control vehicle designed for off-road climbing and high-speed performance. Equipped with a durable 540 brushed motor, the car reaches speeds up to 15 km per hour and offers solid control through its 2.4 GHz remote, which has a range of up to 60 meters. It features a 4WD system, independent hydraulic shock absorbers, and large soft rubber vacuum tires, making it suitable for various terrains like dirt, gravel, and light obstacles. The chassis is reinforced with a metal transmission system and an integrated disc frame for enhanced durability. The car runs on a 7.4V 1500 mAh Li-ion battery, delivering 12 to 20 minutes of runtime after a 3 to 4 hour USB charge. The package includes the RC car, remote control, requires for AA batteries, USB charging cable, battery pack, and an instruction manual. Though ideal for beginners and casual off-road enthusiasts, its performance may be limited on extreme terrains. Priced at around $132.99, the Zp1005 Zp1010 offers solid value for anyone seeking a rugged and fun RC experience. Number 2. Genuine Wltoys Rc Car. The genuine Wltoys 110104026 RC Car is a professional-grade 4WD off-road climbing vehicle designed for rock crawling enthusiasts. Built with a durable combination of ABS, nylon, and metal components, it features a powerful 550 brushed motor and a 7.4V 3000 mAh lithium battery that provides up to 45 minutes of runtime, with a top speed of around 11 km per hour in high gear and 3 km per hour in low gear. One of its standout features is the electric winch, on select models, which adds a functional and realistic element to challenging climbs. The car boasts portal axles for higher ground clearance, tilde 80mm, a 4-link suspension system front and rear, and soft rubber tires for optimal traction. Its 2.4 GHz for channel remote control offers full proportional steering, speed mode switching, and LED light control, with an operating range of up to 100 meters. With a robust wheelbase of approximately 313mm and a total length of 535mm, this RC crawler combines realism and rugged performance, making it ideal for both hobbyists and serious RC climbers. The package includes the RC car, remote controller, USB charger, rechargeable battery, toolkit, and instruction manual. Number 3. WPL C64-1 RC Car. The WPL C64-1 RC Car is a 1/16 scale 4WD off-road pickup truck inspired by the Toyota Hilux, offering a compact yet durable design ideal for crawling enthusiasts. It features a brushed 260 motor powered by a 7.4V 500 mAh Li-ion battery, capable of reaching speeds up to 20 km per hour with a runtime of approximately 30 minutes after a 2-hour charge. The car includes full proportional throttle and steering, controllable LED headlights, and a 2.4 GHz for channel remote control for precise handling. Its rugged chassis combines ABS plastic and metal components, and it is equipped with adjustable shocks, an axle-mounted servo, and a canter-rotating gearbox for enhanced off-road performance and stability. Measuring roughly 33 by 12.7 by 12 cm with a 190mm wheelbase, it also comes ready to run with a battery, USB charger, and remote. The C64-1 includes a reserved mount for an optional winch, making it customizable for more advanced setups. Ideal for beginners and hobbyists alike, this model balances realism, durability, and playability at an affordable price. Number 4. Wltoys 6401 Mini RC Car. The Wltoys 6401 Mini RC Car is a 1 hour 64 minutes scale micro off-road vehicle that combines compact design with impressive technology, including a built-in 720p Wi-Fi HD camera for real-time FPV, first-person view, streaming to a smartphone or compatible controller. Powered by a cordless 0610 brushed motor and stabilized with an internal gyroscope, it offers smooth and precise control with 3 adjustable speed modes: slow, ~1.7 km/h, medium, ~2.5 km/h, and fast, ~3.0 km/h. It features controllable LED lights, proportional steering, and drift capabilities, making it ideal for indoor play, desktop drifting, and tight spaces. The car is equipped with a 3.7V 100 mAh battery that delivers 10 to 15 minutes of runtime after a quick 20 to 30 minute USB charge. At only about 7 cm in length and 29 grams in weight, the Wltoys 64-1 offers a fun, interactive driving experience perfect for both kids and adult hobbyists looking for a mini RC car with full FPV video and photo capabilities. Number 5. D1RC Indoor Truck RC Car. The D1RC 1/18 Mini Off-Road RC Truck is a compact, rugged for WD rock crawler designed for both indoor fun and light outdoor use. Measuring approximately 27.5 by 13.5 by 11.3 centimeters and weighing around 280 g, this 1/18 scale vehicle features a waterproof escape and receiver combo, along with a waterproof 3-wire servo, making it suitable for wet or splash-prone environments. Its drivetrain includes metal-reinforced helical gears, cross joints, and a 4-wheel drive system that provides strong torque and reliable climbing performance. Supported by spring suspension and grippy rubber tires, the truck maintains solid traction on uneven terrain. Powered by a 7.4V 600 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers decent runtime and is controlled via a 2.4 GHz transmitter with trim, reverse, and EPA functions. With a low center of gravity and durable construction, the D1RC Crawler is an ideal entry-level rock crawler that delivers capable off-road action in a portable, ready-to-run format.